Hi guys, this is Mr. Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 7. The function f is by the equation f of x is equal to 7x plus 2. What is the value of f of x when x is equal to 4? Okay, for this question we just need to change x with 4. So f of 4 is equal to 7 times 4 plus 2, which will be equal to 30. 7 times 4, 28, plus 2 is 30. Next question, question 8. A teacher is creating an assignment worth 70 points. The assignment will consist of questions worth 1 point and questions worth 3 points, which equation represents the situation, where x represents the number of 1-point questions and y represents the number of 3-point questions. So to find the word of the all questions, guys, we just need to multiply the word of each question by a number of each question, and we just add them all together. So what I mean, like we multiply the 1 by x, or x times 1, and we multiply the 3 times y, and we add them all together, and it'll be equal to 70. So x times 1 is equal to x, 3 times y is equal to 3y, it is equal to 70. And so the correct answer is answer choice D. Next question, question 9. Right triangles LMN and PQR are similar, where L and M correspond to P and Q respectively. Angle M has measure of 53 degrees. What is the measure of angle Q? So first of all, we should understand the question, guys. Let us repeat this part again. Let us read this part again. So where L and M correspond to P and Q respectively, which means this. L is corresponding to P, L is corresponding to P, and M is corresponding to Q. M is corresponding to Q, which means this, guys. So the measure of angle M is going to be equal to measure of angle Q. So measure of angle M is going to be equal to measure of angle Q. Measure of angle M is already given in the question, which is 53. So measure of angle Q is going to be same, 53 degrees. Answer choice B is the correct answer. So the next question, question 10. So we have an equation system here. Y is equal to negative 3x. For x plus y is equal to 15. The solution to given system equation is x, y. What is the value of x? So to solve this question, guys, I'm going to use the substitution method. Y is equal to negative 3x. In the second equation, I will change the y with negative 3x. So I'll use the second equation. So 4x plus y, which is negative 3x, is equal to 15. So let me rewrite it here. 4x plus negative 3x is equal to 15. So 4x plus negative 3x makes x. X is equal to 15. We can find out the y using the first equation. So y is equal to negative 3x, which means negative 3 times 15. Y is equal to negative 45. Okay, so what we need to find out? We need to find out the guy's value of x, which is 15. Here we have. Answer choice C is the correct answer. Next question. Okay, so now we have a graph, guys. Which of the following equations is the most appropriate linear model for the data shown in the scatter plot? So what we have, first of all, guys, we should know that, guys, we can write our equation in this one. Y is equal to mx plus v. This is for the linear equations. So mx plus v. So m is slope here, and v is the y-intercept. Y-intercept. So first of all, guys, we can draw a line using this points. So as you see, guys, this line falls down from left to right. So the slope is going to be a negative number. Negative number. It's because this line falls down from left to right. Okay, so then what else we can say? So we can eliminate the guys C and D because the slopes are positive here, 1.9 both. So it'll be either A or B. And what else we know? Our y-intercept, it's a positive number. So as you see, guys, in the answer choice C, it is a positive number, 10.1. It cannot be A because it's negative. Y-intercept is not a negative number, it's a positive number. So the correct answer is going to be B. Y is equal to negative 1.9x plus 10.1. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.